Hello everyone. This video that you are watching today I have made about Ababil birds. Earlier I just knew that it is very lucky bird, but then I searched in Google that what is the true about these birds. And you know what I found? I found that this bird is considered lucky in every religion. Even in Quran Sharif, there is mention of Ababil birds. It is said that thousands of Ababil birds have showered stones on the army that came to attack Kaaba. And the Bible also mentioned the Ababil birds. In Kumaon, Ababil birds are called Gautaya and Dhan Chidi. And Kumaoni pupils believed that this bird is a symbol of happiness and prosperity. Here I would like to tell one thing because of which I made this video. When I came to my sasural after getting married, what do I see? I see a bird nest in his living room. And my Sasuji told me that this nest has been built for many years. And these birds build their nest with, wet clay and green grass and their own slava. And a very interesting fact about these birds is also that their nests are available in market of America, Hong Kong, Singapore at a very expensive prices. It is really very interesting. I wish that these two birds to come to my home every year. And these birds come here every year to its own place and give birth. अभी भी इन्होंने बच्चे दिए हुए हैं and after some times leave from here after August. But interesting thing is that next year it's again start coming here in my living room from the time of April to its own place. It's really very interesting and I wish these two birds जिनका मैंने नाम चिक्की मिक्की पहले रखा था अब हनी मनी रख दिया. ये दिन भर मेरे कमरे के अंदर घूमती हैं, अंदर बाहर करती हैं, बच्चे दिए हुए हैं, चहचहाना करती हैं. इन्हें देखना सच में एक पॉजिटिव वाइब्स आती हैं. These two birds to come to my home every year. This is my wish. And I considered myself very fortunate that these birds coming here from far away has been a guest of our house for a long time. Really a big thing to me. You all must have heard a song from the film of Refugee that पंछी नदियाँ पवन के झोंके कोई सरहद इन्हें ना रोके. ये सच में ये गाना इन पक्षियों के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा सटीक बैठता है. इनके लिए सच में कोई सरहदें नहीं बनी है और मैं चाहती भी नहीं हूं कि इनके लिए कोई ऐसी सरहदें बने जहां इनको आना रोक दिया जाए. बैठक के कमरे में मैं जब भी जाती हूँ रोजाना मैं इनकी बीट फैली हुई देखती हूँ और लेकिन मुझे फिर भी वो दिन भर इनका आना सुकून देता है. चलिए इस गाने के साथ ही मैं इनकी एक वीडियो दिखाती हूँ जिसमें इनकी एक्टिविटीज आप देखिए.
पंछी नदियाँ